All right. Fuck, that coffee's hot. Little sell pressure coming in on the ES. Probably back to VWAP 3690.
This open doesn't look too bad, pulling back to support. A lot of a lot of orders coming in on that today as well. Ticker's just open, OPEN.
Open door. Right around the monthly VWAP. Pulling back to daily pivot. 4-hour buy signal. Not terrible. What are their big orders coming in?
Uh, Not big orders, just I guess like normal size if you want to say that.
Yeah.
Majority of them are for 115, 25, and $30 calls.
This DVAX company's coming up on my, I think it's ripping. On my short squeeze scanner, DVAX. Dynavax. They have 33% short float, 7.7 days to cover, so not too bad. Honeywell back to the monthly VWAP. Jeffries is pretty far outside the monthly VWAP. I didn't see that when I bought it, so it might pull back a little bit. Still looks very good long term, daily, weekly.
Oh, you ended up taking Jeffries?
Yeah. It's outside the monthly VWAP though, so you might pull back to like 23.5 or so. 23.75. It's not a huge size position, so pullback won't hurt me. It's about middle of my portfolio. Could be a bulldog forming on Microsoft 5-minute. Facebook, small little correction. Tesla looks like it's ready to rip. 5 minutes been consolidating all day. Hey, Internet. How's it going?
30% now on that XL.
Nice. Didn't you buy the farthest data, the farthest,
I
uh,
bought, yeah. It
farthest
was it was
strike?
already in the money. It was a $30 call.
What month did you buy?
January.
Nice. Oh yeah, they're up fucking. They're at $850 already.
Yeah, I'm up $222.
It's not a bad trade. Doing pretty good, man. Doing pretty good. Typical day, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Nice little spike here on SPY coming in. For how expensive these contracts are on XL, the spreads aren't that bad.
No.
Dude, these things are on fire.
Yep.
They were at $2 yesterday. Now they're almost at $10.
Oh, they're just ripping ass.
Yeah.
Skull fucking, dude.
What contracts are those?
XL.
$30. Hey, you as well, man. Merry Christmas to all you guys. Hopefully we make some money. Tomorrow is the last day to trade for the week before Christmas. We gotta pay off all of our Christmas presents. Cloud and Smile Direct are paying for all my Christmas presents.
Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Does Santa Claus come to Britain too?
Of course he's coming. I've been a good boy this year.
Merry Christmas, Sasha.
Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you as well.
Fuck was that?
It's my girlfriend, Jamie. You missed her yesterday.
She's the one that fucking gave us all a heart attack.
Oh, and she screamed Sasha.
Dude, she said Sasha in like a perfect way. Like it sounded like it was a fucking like a text to speech alert.
Soundboard.
Yeah, it literally sounded like a soundboard. And we were all freaking out like where the fuck did that come from?
Who's Sasha?
So she thinks that when I said Deja one day, I said Sasha's. Now when she hears me talking to you guys, she's like, "Tell Sasha I said hi." She likes it, I think. She feels like she's part of the crew now.
Yeah.
Guys on stream are probably like, "What the fuck?"
They think they doxed me. They're looking up Sasha online to find me. The XU100 looks pretty good. Still staying above that 1370, 1460 would be the next target. I think as long as you stay above this little support here. I'm guessing I drew this out for you. So it's still playing out right into that next level. I think these are weekly levels. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Just slowly making its way to the next target. And then the 30, let's see, what's the 30? That one doesn't work for some reason. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. As long as you hold that 1560 level, should be going higher.
Oh, thorough shorted XL.
Oof. Oof. Wonder where he got that idea. Connor.
Such a dog shit stock, but it's running so hard.
Yeah. I think I literally bought the top on Jeffries. I'm a genius. I think
You close above that auto SR.
Yeah, no. I wasn't even looking until I looked at the weekly, and then I looked at the daily, and I market bought. I didn't even look any lower. But looking at the 1 minute, I think I literally am the top. So you're welcome. But yeah, I don't give a shit what it does in the short time frame. Daily and weekly are really bullish. Can Verizon stop bleeding? That'd be great. CLSK pulled back today, almost 8%. Yeah, it hit our targets. These are my targets, 25.12, 25.44. He hit our targets, and then he nuked. Those were weekly pivots, I believe. I think they were daily pivots. Verizon had bad news. Yeah, typical. I really want to see ES hold above this 3,700 range. Pulling back to retest it now. That's okay as long as you hold above it. Still above the VWAP.
I'm in solo. January 1st, $10 calls.
Is that brand new, Connor?
Yep, just in from CNBC.
That is not good. Because I am pretty heavy in defense contractors right now.
Yeah, that's why I shared it. My bad, man.
It's not doing anything to my stock so far. Maybe they didn't have any involvement in that bill.
There's 0% chance they don't have any involvement in that bill.
That's very true. Because they're the two biggest.
Yep. Now that could probably just mean they're gonna come out with another bill that might be a little bit smaller.
Yeah, hopefully it's bigger. Because Biden will be in office by then, probably. I'm the news champion, man. Bad news on Verizon, bad news on Rocket, bad news on Honeywell, bad news on RTX. The only bad news on, I think CVS had some bad news. The only positions that I'm in right now that have not had bad news, knock on wood, are the ones I opened today. Sirius.
Too early for bad news on those.
Yeah, Sirius XM. Smile Direct. I don't even want to say these because they'll just jinx it. All my leaps, really.
Fucking,
Yeah,
you're gonna
stop
get a news
it.
article. The apocalypse is coming.
But literally every single one of my normal positions that are in my normal account, Honeywell, Rocket, Verizon, RTX, all had bad news. That's my news luck. One thing you can't predict in trading is fucking news. Nothing I can do about it. They're trying to stop me from making money, and they're not doing a very good job.
Trump's going to sign a 500-year peace agreement and fuck all your military contracts
Yeah, right.
up.
Raytheon at Super. Yeah, the Raytheon. That's why I think Raytheon's not reacting to this bad news. They had really good news recently. They got upgraded, and they had a new contract. But there was just bad news that Connor posted. Trump vetoes colossal $740 billion defense bill, breaking with Republican-led Senate. So the defense bill just got vetoed, which RTX and Honeywell are very big defense. So
Oh, that was the NDAA one then,
yeah,
right?
NDAA one. Yep.
Not the COVID one.
Nope. National Defense Authorization Act. Yeah, I saw that. RTX got a license for precision guided arms. Yeah, that's why I added to my shares today. I'm up pretty big on RTX and Honeywell today. They had very good days. I'm still red on both of them, just barely. They're both less than 1% red, so I'm almost break even on both. Which is very good for RTX because I bought the dip. I literally almost bottom ticked RTX. So I lowered my average big time.
Torgas is pretty cool, man. I just finished it.
Yeah, you keep running it.
Lots of sell pressure on ES right now, short term.
You get to choose the different things you want to boost up and then just run it, and that's pretty neat.
No worries, Biden will start a war or a few. That would be good for my stocks. Wouldn't be good for the world, but
Hey Deja, can I ask you what was that pivot level that CL needs to get over?
let me take a look. I think it was like literally the high of the day. Yeah, it's 84.75. It's almost the high of the day.
Oh, okay. Because
Yeah.
I noticed it was coming back a little bit.
Yeah, you have like a minuscule amount of space between the trail and the pivot, and that's where the doji is.
The doji.
Whatever happened to Doji? Remember we used to go to his Twitch channel?
Yeah.
That guy was funny.
I don't know.
I like that guy. What was his name? It was
Doji-san or San Doji or something like that.
He's a cool dude.
I think he still streams.
He probably does. He's got
He
a
still streams, man. Twice a day.
Oh, does he really? Nice.
He's a
Yeah,
forex
still
trader.
going.
That's a cool dude.
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Is he on right now?
Okay.
He's like the most peaceful trader I've ever seen.
Yeah. What was his name? What's his channel?
Doji-san.
Just DOJISAN, right? Like
Yeah,
no
that's right.
period
Yeah,
or
yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a cool dude.
He's not on right now.
Hey, Mad Hand, can you check FSR? It's still good to long. Let me take a look. Fisker. FSR.
He was forex, right, Deja?
I think so. Yeah.
Like majority
Yeah, he
forex.
was. Yeah. Mainly forex. Yeah, he trades Bitcoin on the weekend.
Yeah, he was like super like chill, dude. Didn't talk shit. Didn't do anything fucking wild. Just chilled and fucking traded.
Yep. Fisker looks really good if you hold above the gap, like 1690. You'll probably get 18 and a quarter. There's another micro gap up there. Yeah, you're testing a pivot, so same exact level, 1690 almost. Stay above that, you should be okay. I don't trade charts like this, though. This chart's dog shit.
Yeah, he always seemed to be no matter what was happening, he was always chilled out, and in the end, he was always winning. It's just crazy. Like I went onto his stream sometimes, and he was just like Jesus, man, you're really underwater. And he's like, yeah, be fine in a bit.
That's all right.
And yeah, and then sure enough, the market just turns around and he just starts selling into it and goes like, see, told you. Like Jesus.
It's nice and
Yeah, he's a nice
peaceful,
guy
no
as well,
fucking
man.
raging, no shit talking.
Yeah, he's a nice guy as well, man. He's a lot of that there's a lot of that law of attraction type stuff with him, isn't there?
Yeah,
He's got like that's kind of
he's got good energy.
actually like his trading style actually involves a lot of that sort of stuff. Like
If you're positive, the gains will be positive. Manifest, exactly. See, we manifest, but we manifest the fucking pump it guy, and he shits on all of our positions.
Yeah, he just fucks us.
Yeah. We did a little too much manifesting.
Everything's starting to come down, it seems like.
Little bull div coming in on like 5-minute ES. A lot of sell pressure though. I think it wants to retest the VWAP. Really nice reversal on the 1 minute so far. See if we can hold it. Nope. Did not hold. This is the first real sell pressure you've seen all day. Because that little sell pressure you had, this was pre-market, I believe. Yeah, pre-market. And then it just went straight up.
Not that bad as far as ticks go. And advanced decline line is still is staying up.
It's just bad where it's failing. It's that 3,700 level, like spot on. What I said it needed to get above today. And look at what it's doing. You're not getting above it. That is not good. Especially
Yeah,
going.
SR is strong.
Yeah. Especially going into the holidays. That is not good. You want to see that level be fucking smashed.
But it's nowhere near what we've seen shit drop before, though.
Oh, it's not nuking yet. It's just warning you that it's getting bad. It's showing you a little sign. You get below that 4-hour pivot, 3688. Not looking good. All she wrote. That pivot lines up perfectly with the VWAP too. 3689 VWAP. That's actually pretty funny. What Rhino just posted. Honeywell's failing the monthly VWAP. Where's monthly VWAP? RTX monthly VWAP was a lot higher, almost 72.
What up, beautiful people?
Going on. Yeah,
Yo, yo.
AI doesn't like that 177 target, Connor. You hit that target, went above it a little bit, and you fucking nuked.
Yeah, I should have sold my shares yesterday, but fuck it.
It's not that deep of a pullback, like in the grand scheme of things, but it's not very bullish. This is the first time the moving average ribbons have flipped bearish on the 15 minutes since like 110.
It's bound to pull back. The thing's fucking straight up.
Yeah, literally. For what? Like almost a week.
QS did the same thing today.
Yeah, that thing was fucking extended too.
It's got ES and NQ are gonna go back up.
QS is in a massive bulldog though. If you bounce here, looks pretty good. Yeah, 5-minute bulldog on QS. This could be the bottom. Problem is long term could definitely go down more. Every market across the world is green. Except for NASDAQ. Rocket just went red on the day. The way Honeywell is like resting right below this monthly VWAP, this looks like it wants to just rip higher because you're being suppressed like right on that VWAP. But as soon as you break through it, just like Target did, Target exploded. Second you broke that VWAP on Target, absolutely exploded. The Target 1 hour, Target daily is like the textbook example on how you use the monthly VWAP.
More dots? More dots? Stop dots?
American Eagle looks like it's ready to rip.
Hello, good people.
What's going on?
Castro!
Apple looks pretty good. You're outside the monthly VWAP, though. That's why it's not going higher. Chegg was just a massive trade. Really, really good trade.
Yes.
Sins, yeah, I can take a look at Sins. What is that? Sins. Oh, it's a dog shit penny stock. Not much I can tell you on stuff like this. Stuff like this is just pump and dumps. Only TA you can do on stuff like this is low time frame shit.
Why did airlines move today and cruises?
They were talking about giving them some assistance. I don't know if they had any more talks about that recently. There's no levels where it's failing. It's kind of failing in the middle of nowhere. I don't see any levels here. Give some 4-hour pivots. That's about it. Yeah, you got a 4-hour pivot at 60, 4-hour pivot at 55. As long as those hold, it should go higher. You do have another pivot right here around, what is that, 77? That would be the upper target. Daily. Yeah, there's no pivots in your way on the daily, so that's good. Stuff like this usually pulls back really fucking hard, though, unless it has a catalyst, a reason for it to pump like that. The 1 hour looks pretty bullish. 15 holding the pivot. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks like it wants to go higher. I don't trade stuff like this, though. This is like an OTC dog shit stock. You break that triangle bullish, a little bit of resistance at 66. You break that. Should go higher. Hey, crypto, what's going on? Solo? I think JMA's in solo. You take solo?
I'll give it a few minutes and then Johnny will be in here. Watch Tesla, 650.
Didn't Solo just have an offering?
Johnny's phone's dead, bro.
That's true.
You're not wrong.
It's kind of nice.
Could Connor say that's kind of nice?
Yeah, I was just fucking.
Solo looks really good above like $7.85, $8. You got a November's VWAP there. You got a local high there. Monthly high on December. Once you break all this resistance here, it should fly. Solo's another penny stock though. So it's all about the volume, and right now it doesn't really have volume. Fubo a buy here. Didn't Fubo pull back pretty hard? No, I would not say Fubo is a buy here. Fubo would need to fill the gap to give you any kind of buy signal. The gap around like 49.50. What a disgusting move on Fubo. $28 all the way to like 65. Jesus. If it fills the gap and starts to find support, it doesn't look too bad. That's about it.
Deja, what's your scanner saying about Baidu?
I don't think I've seen Baidu on my scanner today. Let me see.
Damn, Rhino. What's up, dude? I've heard your voice in a minute.
I know I needed a break from y'all.
No, I haven't seen
Oh,
Baidu on my scanner. It's holding 190 though. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I just posted this flow. You've got 2.2 million for that 220 March 2021. That's a lot.
Pretty good.
That's a fucking lot.
220? Yeah, it's not that. That's not that far away. You could probably get like 205, 210 pretty easily. MGROS. What is that? MGROS. Guessing it's a penny stock with that ticker. Oh, it's a Turkish stock. Let's see. Nothing really happening with this stock. Just been sideways for a very long time. Slightly bullish. You're above the 50% of the distribution. You've got resistance at 42.5. You break that, you should get 44. You're also failing a daily pivot. Weekly looks like a bulldog, so really bullish on the weekly. As long as you stay above 40.5. Yeah, so I'd say stay above 40.5, it looks bullish. You break 40.5, then not looking too good.
Hey, Deja,
What's up?
can you look at NVIDIA?
Is it above 550?
Nah, definitely not.
Then it's dog shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Top tier analysis.
Yep.
That was easy.
I love it, man. Thanks.
Easiest TA of his life. What's up, Castro?
What up?
Frodo needs to get Frodo. I can't get over that. That's fucking hilarious. Frodo, man. This needs to get above 127. You get above 127, it looks pretty good. Problem is, you're putting in like a rollover. Looks like you're rolling over.
Frodo.
You gotta pivot
the
below
ratings?
you, 122. So stay above 122, it's okay. For short term. But the daily is not bullish until you break that level at 127. You're kind of stuck between two pivots. Alright, I'll actually look at NVIDIA, but I still stand by what I said.
Fucking Frodo, dude.
Yeah, it looks like dog shit, Castro. It has
Dog
it
shit.
has to get above 550 or it's just gonna range and bleed you out.
Bleed you out like a fucking pig.
Yep.
Oh man, this trade's brutal.
Oh, you're
Are you
already in it?
still? Are you still in that, dude?
I got in it like last week.
Because you didn't listen to me. What did I say? It has to get above 550. You said, oh, we get in early.
I front ran it when it was getting close to 540,
Yeah.
and then bleeding out like a pig. Like idiots.
Yep. Needs to get above 550 or that chart is dog shit.
Castro, I feel like you've been in that trade for like the past 3 months, dude.
No, he was selling premium before, I think, and he took that.
Yeah. I always I've been selling I've been doing like credit spreads on NVIDIA, which are risky as fuck because it's
Yeah.
so hard to get out of sometimes. And then I finally took a naked call, and then now I'm just getting fucking roundhouse kicked in the face.
Yeah. The trade on ACST is already over. You could have bought the low of the day today on the pivot. That would have been your trade. Not really any trade left on that thing. No problem, crypto.
I think anything that I'm in actually moved today. Just
Guys,
fucking trading sideways.
that's how I feel. Almost my entire portfolio is fucking flat. Honeywell and RTX are my biggest gainers of the day. Oh, and SPY. My SPY contracts did very well. Hey, Digital.
Isn't tomorrow going to be like super low volume though?
Yeah, basically for the rest of the year, volume is going to be very low.
Next week's also a short week too, right?
Yeah.
Next week?
Scam, dude. Yeah.
Why is next week short?
New Year's Eve,
Oh, what day is that?
Thursday.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
2 back-to-back Thursdays.
Just holding CB. I'm not adding. I'm in too deep to add. I still like it. Yeah, today's an inside day. Gotta have faith, brother. Gotta have faith. Inside day trading above the auto SR and the pivot.
What are we talking about?
PLTR.
Let's go. I came in the right moment.
Gotta have faith, man.
Yeah, I'm still holding on. I sold one just this morning, but I only got 4 in total. Well, 3 now. Only have 4.
What
Gars,
contracts?
that was a block trade.
Do you think there's a triple bottom at the PLTR 15 minute?
Let me look. Sorry, I got my eating.
All right, let me catch up. Let's see. Yeah, that was a block trade of Gars. It was a 1.7 million share block trade or something like that.
For who?
It was the SPY block trade that came in. Was it yesterday or the day before? A big ass block trade.
Oh yeah, it was yesterday.
Yeah, it was like 3% premium. That guy paid a massive premium.
I'm actually looking at this as a ascending triangle on PLTR 1 hour.
CB, I like DraftKings as long as it stays above 53. 53 is a big line in the sand. Anything above 53, it wants to go higher. You want to get that gap fill at 57. How's Bitcoin been doing today? Down 1.5. Doesn't like this top. It doesn't like 24,000. Keeps failing it. They ran out of neck beards to throw at this thing to buy at 24K. They fucking ran out of money.
There is no normies right now buying Bitcoin.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the Google trends? It's like dead.
Is it really? The analytics?
Nobody cares, yeah.
Hey.
Which is also a good thing, though.
Blockchain solves...
Does it solve that?
Insert problem.
Yeah.
Well,
better check Ripple. Oh, I'm all out of Ripple. I haven't been a Ripple bro in years.
dude, as soon as I saw that fucking they're getting sued, I sold it
they're
at
getting
52
massacred,
cents.
dude. You should have shorted that. Why did you just sell it? You should have shorted.
No, my short got closed too early.
Oh my god, you should have shorted that.
My short got closed at like 43 cents. I should have just kept moving my
Dude,
take one.
100x, 100. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. I had this drawn out. Look at how fucking perfectly this played. I don't even trade crypto anymore.
I disagree, Kiff.
What a dog shit fucking coin.
You could have shorted that thing to 0.
It's still going down, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow. That's
Put in that daily
That's
pivot.
crazy.
Literally put in the daily pivot. It called the fucking top. Missed it by 1 candle. You never broke that pivot. You could have shorted the pivot. And you'd be sitting pretty.
oh, there's a pivot coming down at 22 cents.
You put in a weekly pivot there too. Look at the weekly pivot. Weekly pivot. Came back to retest the weekly pivot. You could have shorted that.
Wow.
Just got absolutely obliterated.
This thing's actually gonna go to 0.
Yep, going to
I
0.
don't think it's gonna go to 0.
Look at the monthly. Look at the monthly. It's going to 0.
It's not going to 0, bro.
Going to 0.
Holy shit, the monthly. Oh my god.
Here, I'll give you a bet. I'll give you a bet. I
Alright.
bet Ripple hits 5 cents before it hits $1.
5 cents?
5 cents.
Are you dude, it's not going to 5 cents.
Before it hits $1.
Can I raise the give me 80 cents.
No.
Take 91.
No. $1. Actually, I like this. I like the psychological resistance, so $1.05.
What are you looking at? XRP USD?
Yeah, XRP USD.
On what exchange?
I bet you $1,000 that it
What
hits
exchange you looking
5
at?
cents. Bitstamp, I think, is like the normal one.
I don't know, man. That shit's melting. Every time
Send
I
that
look
thing
at
to
it,
the
it just
fucking
keeps
floor.
going down.
Send it to fucking 0.
I'm glad that happened.
Dude, Spy's getting sent to 0 right now while we're talking shit.
Oh, buddy. Spy is nuking. When I say nuking, it's down 1 point, but
Spy's green for
Because
the day.
Tesla's tanking.
It's not going to be green for much longer. It keeps doing this.
man, that Tesla.
Look at the
You
fucking...
guys
Tesla's
throw
ugly
around
right
this
now.
duking word.
It's, I don't, it's getting there. Yeah, it's, I'd say it's getting there, JMA. Down
Oh.
0.2% in 3 minutes. That's fucking absolutely abysmal. I talked about that one earlier, CB. Who asked about that? You guys are HIV brothers. GHIV.
All right.
Was that too far? Who asked about this earlier? Was it Huss? What did I tell you, Huss? Oh, I said above $12 it wants $12.50. Above 12 it wants $12.50.
We're testing yesterday's VWAP.
This is not looking pretty. That auto SR is literally the high to the tick. Yeah, where is that VWAP? Oh, we're below it. We're below today's VWAP. Is this all from Tesla? Is Tesla nuking?
Tesla came down,
It's not down that much.
but yeah.
Netflix isn't helping, down 2.5.
Yeah, it just got like a candle just going down and people are overreacting.
Damn, Cloud is down 1.5. That's not good.
Yeah, because the FSLY, it's
Yeah,
fucking shit in the
fucking
bed.
trash, dude. Yeah, it's down 4%. Yep.
Wait, what happened to FSLY?
Google got nuked too.
Send it to 0.
Oh, I didn't see that. FSLY is breaking that trend line I was watching.
Everything's over, guys.
I might have to close Cloud tomorrow and re-enter lower. We'll see how this reacts. Dropbox is selling off a little bit too.
I can't tell you how good it feels not to like be in Spy.
Digital said he's planning on loading up on XRP soon. Good luck with that, man.
I was thinking about the same.
Dude, I'm gonna buy XRP, bro. Nothing's gonna happen to them.
You guys have fun, man.
I thought
Aren't they getting sued or something?
Yeah, but dude, they're not the first crypto coin to get sued. It's happened before.
Casper,
Yeah, and how are those coins doing? The ones that got sued?
But aren't they like? Isn't like
they
this like?
retraced.
They're a well-known coin to get sued.
Oh, there was another one.
It's probably the largest market cap coin to be sued by the SEC.
Send it to fucking zero.
Alright.
5
Sure,
cents
try to guess
before it
it.
hits $1.
Yeah, that's my bet.
5 cents. Yo, I'm gonna load up if it.
Oh,
hits
you know
5
who got
cents. Don't play
sued?
with me.
EOS. EOS got sued.
Yeah, they were like what, the 6th market cap, or not even top 10, were they?
Yeah, but look what happened to them. They got a slap on the wrist. Nothing happened to them.
Yeah, but
Oh,
it was
man,
they
I
weren't
was-
getting sued for securities, I don't think, were they?
Yeah, it was. It was securities. It was the same
Yeah.
thing. So I don't think it's gonna be as bad as everyone thinks it's gonna be. It's gonna be the same thing as
5
EOS.
cents before it hits $1.
Slap on.
Deja,
slap
how
on the
does
wrist.
Facebook look to you? There, people are annoying.
Dude,
I'm trying
I'd
to
put
figure this
like
out.
I would definitely put some degenerate money in 5 cent Ripple.
Facebook
5 cent Ripple.
Facebook's fine above 265, but overall doesn't look too good.
Yeah, I know it doesn't look good until like it's like 277. Goddamn.
Just buy in weekly support. You're at weekly support right now.
Dude, everything is melting right now.
You know how good it feels to be in 3 positions and 75% of my account is still available. All I got left is one Apple play for tomorrow. That TT train I took today, and then I got Sunrun for January.
I couldn't tell you the last time I seen this. This is a win to me.
Dude, I'm in so many positions. I gotta sit here and keep clicking the fucking charts.
That's a fucking win.
Only
to me
down
for a day
1%
like this.
today, which isn't bad.
That's not bad, man. Do I even want to look at Cloud, Connor? Do I even want to look?
It's not bad.
Just look, bro.
Down 1.4 points.
Now it's down 7%. Whoop de fucking do. We were up 100.
NQ is selling up.
Yep, Q's looks pretty sketch. My Nvidia trade. I'm so sad.
Yes, it's still positive ticks. NQ is just negative 300, which is not a lot.
Tesla might go here.
There's an auto SR on Uber, CB at 53.80. That's what's holding it down. Fubo's going to go for the gap fill. Fubo's going to 49.30-ish. 49.50 around there.
The reason I don't think this is just like a micro pullback is because of where it's failing. This is what I talked about in my analysis yesterday. It had to get above 3,700 to look good, and it absolutely nuked 3,700. The high of the day is 3,701.
Yeah, still holding the trend line.
If it holds here, this is fine. You're still holding that pivot. You're like kind of hovering in that little zone of support and resistance. This could also be a very wonky bulldog, where you have like a higher leg, and then it puts in the head.
Buy is still green.
What the fuck would this be? Would this be like a Roadrunner?
Oh, Roadrunner.
Yeah.
That's a new one.
Is that what it looks like? What does it look like? Look at SPY. Look at ES 1 hour.
Fucking Roadrunner.
We gotta add this to our zoo. Could be like a T-Rex. Like this could be like a little arm, you know what I mean? We'll put it in the coloring book right next to the Bronchiosaurus.
Oasis.
You guys think I'm kidding, man? I'm releasing a coloring book 2021. Fucking Oasis Trading Group chart patterns.
It'd be a good like educational book, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta fill in the candles,
Exactly.
and then you trace the little chart pattern.
Everyone in my chat saying they're gonna buy Ripple at 5 cents.
Yeah, oh, dude,
You guys are degenerates.
throwing like 20K in that if it ever hits 5 cents.
Coloring book sounds good to me. I'm lacking some entertainment recently.
I think it's a great idea, dude. That'll be
Especially if you have kids, you
that will
know?
be our first merch launch. Will be the zoo coloring book. We'll have fucking Luca as the mascot for the book, as the bulldog.
ES1R is a kangaroo, no mistaking.
Kangaroo, that's what it is. Okay.
Whoa.
I can see the kangaroo. This is the last bear trap before they approve the 2,000 check stimulus. And then all the Robinhood bros get their $2,000 and fucking buy spy calls, and it goes to 400 in a year. And then we have to fucking bow down to
Oh yeah,
for the
what's
whole.
going on with that?
What's going on with the stimulus?
Yeah, I read it briefly this morning.
Trump just said no to the bill, so they have to make a new one.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
They don't.
They gotta amend it.
They have to amendment or split it,
Yeah.
or technically, Mitch McConnell and the Dems can say "fuck you" and then just override his veto if he vetoes it. But the thing is, they put in the government funding bill and COVID bill into one, so there's a lot of bullshit nonsense spending in that bill.
Yeah, they forgot to
and-
say it wasn't our government funding; it was the world's government funding.
Yeah, like fucking Laos and Cambodia gets
Yeah.
like $1 billion.
Yeah. They
All
forgot.
that
They forgot
bullshit.
which government they were supposed to be funding.
Fucking Cambodia. Fucking Egypt.
Fucking pyramids, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, gave them $1 billion to rebuild their pyramids.
Hey, they're
Here's the
expensive
bill,
to
guys.
maintain, man.
No, but they probably will be done by like tomorrow. Will probably be a little sketch, and then they'll probably have a bill out by Monday.
You think so?
Yeah, even though they're going on vacation.
Oh, yeah, that's wonderful.
But yeah.
You get any?
Dime's active on Twitter today. Haven't heard him in Discord though.
He's probably salty.
Yeah, he doesn't like that meme that I posted. We're not friends anymore.
Guys, I gotta go put a TV stand together.
Have a good one, man. Good luck.
Later, man.
I just
No,
bought, like,
no spare
$200
parts,
worth
man.
of
No spare
pencils.
parts.
More dots. More dots. Later, guys.
Peace.
Later.
Bye, C's.
Later.
Fucking starting to hate Facebook. God damn it.
Just gotta believe.
Digital,
just
you
lost-
think the lawsuit against Ripple's gonna fail?
Yes.
I think so. I think it's gonna get like. Yeah, I think it's gonna fail, and like probably Trump is gonna get some XRP, and then boom, XRP
Buy the fucking dip, dude.
They think they're slick. XRP almost hit $1, and now out of nowhere they're suing XRP. Fuck them.
Digital said he knows it will fail.
Yeah, dude, of course it is. You can look, I'm telling you, EOS literally got sued for the same shit, and they got a slap on the wrist.
They're still at the same price. EOS.
No, it actually probably won't go to zero. I don't actually care, to be honest. I don't even trade crypto anymore. But if I had to put my money in crypto, I don't think Ripple would be the one that I'd be loading up on.
If it's down like
FOMO.
it's down 47%, in a week.
If you're just
Oh,
dollar,
it's
yeah, if you're
not a
dollar
bad
cost
idea.
averaging, it's probably a really good time to start.
Yeah,
The
that's how I
fact
do
that
it.
my
I have
average buy was
base.
like 30 cents, I'm gonna probably add if it gets lower.
That's literally how I do it. I'll grab like $20. Like that's me buying the dip. Just since I have Coinbase, so it's like no leverage.
Yeah, you
So I
pay 20
literally just
bucks and
like
then you pay 5 in fees. That's how Coinbase is.
no. I found out a way to not pay
Whoa,
fees.
how do you
I just
not pay
convert it.
fees?
I just convert it. Convert coins to coins.
Well, that's not really buying more coins.
Huh?
Casher thought
Hmm?
you were like loading money up in your account and buying more coins.
Yeah, I thought
Oh
you were
nah.
like.
I already
You're
I already
trading, quote
surpassed that.
unquote. He thought you were like buying spot.
No, I don't got that much money. Hell no. I only have like freaking 13,000, 14,000 in like my Coinbase account. So I just keep converting everything. Something's low, I just convert it to like Ethereum or like Bitcoin, something that I know that's gonna go back up. And then I'll slowly take profits when they go up like crazy, like 2%,
Just be
3%.
careful because you might be up on your coin, whatever coin you're converting, but you might be down on USD if you keep converting because the pairs like swing
That's
so
why
hard.
like that's why I do so much shit coins because like I'll convert my profits of like Ethereum, Litecoin, or like Bitcoin, and I'll put it on something that I know that's like really, really down, like a shit coin that's down. Buy the dip and then watch that shit run, make like a quick like $100, $50, get out, and then put more into Ethereum and Bitcoin and Litecoin since those are my main positions.
That nasty end of day sell off pushed Jeffries below the 4-hour pivot and the daily auto SR. That's irritating.
Yeah, I'm down like 1,000 today. I got bent.
Oh yeah, you guys green or red on the day? I'm down very, very small because of
Down
my
1%.
shares.
Maybe
Almost
down 2.
on the day. Almost all my positions are like fucking flat, except for Honeywell. We're pretty green on. RTX we're pretty green on, but they pulled back in today.
What the fuck? I'm casually down 10,000 for the month. What the fuck just happened?
Robinhood's not accurate on that a lot of times. If you're like if you're depositing and withdrawing money, it fucks up your graph.
Nah, it's been fucking it up ever since I take profit on a trade. Like it fucks everything up, and I can't know what I am. Like I don't know if I'm green or red, and then I know at the end of the day it will fix everything. It will be like, oh, you was green the whole entire time, and I will sell positions.
I can't look at my all-time one on Robinhood because I've withdrew all my money out of the account like 3 different times, and my all-time thing is fucked now, and it says I'm like massively red.
Yeah, I mean, I know I am. I'm still down 50% of my account on my main account, and it's horrible because that was when I first started learning. And, I was real degen back then. Didn't want to. I was just like, hey, bull market, straight ahead, no hedges. So I got bent over.
I wonder
So
if
it
I
was one,
can email them to fix that shit. It's fucking irritating.
but it doesn't bother me as much since like most of the beginning of when I started trading, it was like when we was on a bull market and we was having crazy profits. So I practically lost most of my profits.
Just it's tuition, bro. You paid some tuition.
Yeah, I say I pay for the lessons because look at me now. Like now I could do technical analysis. It pushed me to work harder. I started looking at all the Deja's videos. Like like me losing so much money fucking pushed me to like I have to do more.
All right, guys, I'm going to end the stream. Appreciate you guys being here. If I don't see you guys tomorrow, you guys have a good Christmas. It is a half day tomorrow. Make sure you guys remember that. Markets close at 1 p.m. Eastern. And then Friday is obviously a holiday. No markets are open then. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the half day. I'll be posting some analysis later today. Probably a little late, as always. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the trading session. If I don't see you, you guys have a good Christmas. Have a good holiday. And I'll see you guys next week. All right, guys. Peace.